I got some more for you here. You know what? I exercise as a prevention against frustration and depression. That's why I do it, okay? Bar bird, check it out. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check it out, little variation here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm curving to go down. I straighten out and I come up. And then I straighten out and I curve to come up. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Straight up and straight down and curve up. 5, 6, 7. Nice beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it there and bend. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, and 3. Feel the stretch in your butt. And go 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Just gonna hold it and pulse. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. And hold it, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Little wiggle, 2. Don't be afraid to move the spine, lower back, articulate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take that shifting gently and come up with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew. Okay, time to take a coffee break. Enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye. That's especially good for the lower back and arthritis. Really want to articulate that back. Get some movement in that arthritis. Best cure for arthritis, movement. And rest. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.